30 dried fruits. Almond. Almonds improve heart health. Cashew. Cashews are good for bones. Walnut. Walnuts boost brain power. Pistachio. Pistachios support weight control. Peanut. Peanuts provide energy. Hazelnut. Hazelnuts strengthen immunity. Pine nut. Pine nuts aid digestion. Brazil nut. Brazil nuts protect the thyroid. Macadamia nut. Macadamias improve skin. Pecan. Pecans lower cholesterol. Raisin. Raisins enhance iron levels. Dried fig. Figs improve digestion. Dried date. Dates boost energy. Dried apricot. Apricots improve eyesight. Dried prune. Prunes prevent constipation. Dried apple. Dried apples are rich in fiber. Dried banana. Dried bananas give quick energy. Dried mango. Dried mangoes support immunity. Dried coconut. Dried coconut strengthens bones. Dried cherry. Dried cherries reduce inflammation. Dried strawberry. Dried strawberries are full of antioxidants. Dried blueberry. Dried blueberries improve memory. Dried cranberry. Dried cranberries protect urinary tract. Dried mulberry. Dried mulberries strengthen blood. Dried gooseberry. Dried gooseberries boost immunity. Dried papaya. Dried papaya aids digestion. Dried pineapple. Dried pineapple supports digestion. Dried kiwi. Dried kiwi is rich in vitamin C. Dried lemon peel. Dried lemon peel detoxifies the body. Dried orange peel. Dried orange peel improves digestion. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more simple English sentences.